If you're thinking about deleting your WhatsApp account but aren't sure how to do it, don't worry. In this tutorial, I will show you a simple and quick way to permanently remove your account along with all its data. Stay until the end of this video to learn how to do it without any complications. So the first thing you need to do is find your WhatsApp app and open it. Then, when you're on the WhatsApp home screen, in the top right corner, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on them and a menu with options will appear. In the menu that appears, select the Settings option. When you're in WhatsApp settings, you'll see the option Account. Tap on it to open it. Once you've opened the account option, you can see several options for account settings. Find the Delete Account option and tap on it. Now, what you need to do is enter your phone number. Tap on the field where it says phone number and type in your phone number. After entering it, tap the Delete Account button at the bottom of the screen. Now, if you want, tap on the Select a Reason field and choose the reason why you want to delete your WhatsApp account. Then, tap the Delete Account button again at the bottom of the screen. Finally, tap the Delete Account button one more time to confirm the deletion. Once you've done this, your WhatsApp account will be permanently deleted. All your messages, chat history, and data associated with the account will be erased from the server. Additionally, you will be automatically removed from all the groups you were a part of. And that's it for this video, friends. I hope it was helpful and that you successfully deleted your WhatsApp account. If it was, leave a like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.